Becoming successful in a project management role, especially with the help of the Google Project Management Certificate offered on Coursera, requires a combination of completing the certificate program, gaining practical experience, and developing key skills. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to leverage the certificate effectively. Complete the certificate program. Enroll in and successfully complete the Google Project Management Certificate program on Coursera. This program is designed to equip you with foundational project management skills and tools. Understand project management fundamentals. Ensure you grasp core project management concepts covered in the certificate program, such as project planning, scheduling, budgeting, risk management, and stakeholder communication. Apply learning to practical scenarios. As you progress through the course, apply the project management principles to real-life scenarios or projects you're involved in, even if they're small-scale personal projects. Build a portfolio. Start building a portfolio of projects you've managed or contributed to. Document your role, the project's scope, objectives, outcomes, and any challenges faced and overcome. Seek internship or entry-level positions. Look for internship opportunities or entry-level positions in project management. Many organizations offer junior roles where you can gain hands-on experience. Network and connect. Leverage professional networks like LinkedIn to connect with project managers and professionals in the field. Join project management groups or forums to learn from others' experiences. Obtain project management certifications, optional. Consider pursuing additional project management certifications like PMP, Project Management Professional, or CAPM, Certified Associate in Project Management, offered by PMI, Project Management Institute, to further enhance your credentials. Develop soft skills. Project management is not just about technical skills. Develop soft skills such as communication, leadership, problem-solving, and teamwork, which are crucial for success in this role. Stay updated and evolve. Project management methodologies and tools evolve over time. Stay updated with industry trends, new technologies, and best practices through continuous learning and professional development. Apply for project management roles. Once you feel confident in your skills and experience, start applying for project management roles within organizations. Tailor your